Greetings, team. In this week's 5 for Flooring, I wanted to do a quick glossary of flooring types for you. I've had some questions as I've made videos in the past from many of you, and so I figured today would be as good a day as any to clear up some of those terms. So all of flooring can really be broken down into about 5 categories. You've got your hardwoods, you've got your laminates, you've got vinyl products, you've got carpet, and then you've got tiles, ceramic porcelain tiles. So the first type of product would be the hardwood. And inside hardwood, there's two terms that you're going to hear quite often, and it's solid hardwood and engineered hardwood. Solid hardwood is exactly what it sounds like. Solid hardwood is a single board that has been milled, generally with a tongue and groove, so as it goes down, it kind of fits into its, the next piece. And engineered hardwood, if you look at it from the side, is going to look like plywood. Now, there's advantages and disadvantages to both of the products, and both of them come in finished and unfinished varieties so that they can be put down. But solid hardwood is a solid board, and engineered hardwood will look a little bit more like plywood from the side. And the next type of flooring that you've heard about is laminate. And laminate would be similar to the Pergo type of flooring that has been popular for the last 20 years. Laminate is it's a very cost-effective option, and it comes in a wide variety and range of qualities, but generally it's a click-style product that's made of a pressboard type material with a film and a kind of a screen or finish on top of that. Laminate's biggest problem has been its susceptibility to moisture. So if you've put down a laminate floor, in the past and spilled some water on it, you'll have the edges curl up, and it totally kills the visual. But laminate is still very popular. It's still a very cost-effective option, and we like it because it allows us to sell the underlayments that are required to really make that laminate sound and perform very well. Now, the next type would be vinyl, and vinyl would be the category that we are currently selling in. Now, there's vinyl plank and vinyl tile. And vinyl plank is the plank style product that you've seen out in the market. It's what we have. It looks like wood, very, very popular, growing very fast. And inside of vinyl plank, there's actually a couple of different categories. You have the dry back glue down product, similar to what we have in the Legacy and Villager. There's the click style product, and that's going to be kind of like what we have in Plantation. And many of you, while you're out there, you've heard of a product called Core-Tech from US Floors, or you've heard Rigid Core. So the next level up in vinyl flooring beyond just the click, there are products that are thicker. They're thicker like the laminate product, and they're stiffer, and they click together. They're fully waterproof. Good products. And then there's a new product called Rigid Core. And these products are a little bit thinner. They're about the thickness of what we have, but they're actually stiffer. And the advantage of doing that is that you don't have that telegraphing. You won't have the subfloor issues show up through the vinyl floor like you will with the more flexible laminate products. Now, the next category would be carpet. And some of you have been confused when I've talked about glue for carpet. But inside of carpet, you can really break it down into 3 major categories. The first category would be residential carpet, much like what you have in your house. It's stretched out over the tack strip, like we've described in one of the other videos. It's seamed together with seam tape. That would be residential carpet. Now, a lot of commercial carpet is what we call a glue-down carpet, and that's the thinner, denser carpet. If you've ever been to the headquarters in Spartanburg and walked on that carpet, or been into an office building, 9 times out of 10, this is a glue-down product, where the carpet is actually rolled out and stretched, but it's glued directly to the substrate below it. Now, the third category inside of carpet would be carpet tile. And that, for the most part, is adhered to the floor. A lot of times it's adhered with a releasable bond. And carpet tile is extremely popular because it's sold, in those squares, which means that if you're in a commercial application and one square is ruined, you can pull that one square of carpet back up and then put another square down. Now, the last core category would be the ceramics and porcelain tiles. These are growing immensely in popularity, especially with the new wood look tiles. I mean, almost every hotel I go into now has the wood look tile in the lobby or the entryway. It's being used a lot in remodeling. So we're familiar with those products. Those are the hard tiles. If you walk into any Doll Tile or Home Depot or Lowe's, you'll see vast assortments of tile, and they can come in from anything from the little subway tiles that are, 3x6 to tiles now can actually be 6 inches wide and up to 6 feet long. So hopefully that glossary of terms will let you know the difference between engineered hardwood and hardwood, the difference between, say, laminate and vinyl flooring, and also maybe some of you understand now why we're selling glue with the carpet. So hopefully that answers some of the questions that I've had. Next week, I hope to actually have a video showing a click installation of the new Fast Click product from Merit Decor. Thanks for your time, and I look forward to talking to you again next week.